This is Ken from JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you'd like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36 reference 126284 RBR with a Aubergine purple dial and pave 6'9" with the oyster bracelet and diamond bezel. I'm going to talk to you guys about the dial here, the bezel, the case, the bracelet, the movement, and then I'm going to try it on for you. So let's dive right in. And let's talk about the case first, which uses an oyster 36mm oyster steel white gold and diamond case, and 36mm is my thumb to my index finger. Now what part is steel? It's the case which my finger is rubbing right now. What part is gold would actually be, you see what is holding this bezel, which my finger is going around, what it's actually holding the diamonds, that's actually made of white gold. I'm not sure if you guys can see the color difference. I kind of can see it, but I'm not looking through the camera, I'm looking straight at it. That is actually white gold, and the diamonds, of course, as you see, it's the bezel. So what makes this material is steel, white gold, and diamonds is the combination of those things. As I stated, the case here steel, the bezel here white gold, and the diamond, the bezel itself being diamonds. Okay. Now it uses a monoblock middle case, screw down case back, and winding crown. What that means is the back uses, as you see, a case back that is screw down, and that keeps it water resistant up to 100 meters. Okay, now let's move on to the dial here. Now this dial is, they call it Aubergine. Okay, I'm tilting it for you guys to see. In layman terms, it's actually purple. It's actually like a dark, it's quite a dark purple, and I guess aubergine means that, but it's kind of hard to see. But if you click on the pictures that we've posted to your left, you'll be able to see that if you go to our website, that is. So click on the link in the description below, which takes you to the listing of this watch, and you can click on see those pictures of it. Basically, it's a dark purple, almost like a black. Okay, and they just started making this dial, at least as of 2020 or 2019 rather. So they never made purple before, or aubergine. And what else you'll notice here is that the 6 and the 9, you notice, I'll bring it a little closer so you can see, the 6 and the 9 position have diamonds, and they're pave diamonds. They're also actually set in 18 karat gold, and there's actually 24 diamonds in there. I know you can't count those because it's way too small to see, but that's actually hand set 24 diamonds. Rolex only uses the best D color diamonds for all their stuff. So yeah, that's why it has the price tag that it has. Now let's move on to the bezel. The bezel here is set with diamonds, and of course Rolex only uses the best diamonds again. And you know, you can see it using this profile. It's kind of got this beveled edge. Do you see that? You know, it kind of like it's at an angle. Not sure if you can see that. Anyhow, this is how it comes from the factory, and it looks really awesome. Now let's move on to the movement. Now you can't actually see the movement, but I'll just tell you it's a 3235 movement. It has a precision of plus minus 2 seconds a day, and it has a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring high performance paraflex shock absorber, and it has a power reserve of 70 hours. Now what does that all mean? It just means that they changed from the 3135 movement, the old movement that they've been using for like 30 years, and they changed it to a new movement. You can't see the movement anyways. The basic two things is that it's more precise and it lasts longer, and it has a longer power reserve, and that's it. That's all that's going to be noticeable to you, the user. Okay, and then let's talk about the bracelet. Now the bracelet is an oyster flat 3-piece link. It uses oyster steel. In other words, it uses steel, stainless steel. The clasp is a folding oyster clasp with easy 5mm comfort extension link. Now I'm going to close that for you. Bam, just like that. Okay, and what is that 5mm comfort extension link? If you look at the back, if you pull like this, it extends another 5 millimeters. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I've gone through, you know, the whole watch with you. Now I'm going to try it on. And if you ask me, I really think this watch is an excellent purchase. Why? Because, well, you know, for the price tag, you get one that looks really flush. I love the way that it's all steel and all silver, and it has just white gold, you know, in the dial, diamonds on the bezel. And if you look at it on my wrist, you can really see why it has the price tag it has, and you know, it just looks really awesome. I think I forgot to mention one other thing now that I'm looking at it on my wrist. The case on this one is a little different from the older version. You see how it has these tapered case right here? The case is the lugs is where the case meets the bracelet, and that's a little more tapered, as in skinnier than it used to be. That's another reason why, if you saw the older versions, that you might want to upgrade to this version, which is just has a better profile. Okay. Now, if you like the video, subscribe below, and if you want to buy it, please buy it from Jazztime, not some other company. You should buy it from Jazztime because we have the lowest price anywhere online. Excellent customer service. We give you the warranty card if you buy it brand new from us. And if we don't have it in stock in our office, it's just one phone call away. Could save you a lot of money. You could get the watch at a great price, and we deliver it just in one day. All right, so check us out at jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazztime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.